All right, here comes question 3 for 300 points. Again, this is in radians. Tangent of the square root of 10 is negative and less than negative 1 over the square root of 3, is negative and greater than negative 1 over the square root of 3, is positive and less than 1 over the square root of 3, or is positive and greater than 1 over the square root of 3. It's worth 300 points. Everyone understand the question? All right, and you have 45 seconds. All right, we'll see how question 3 went for 300 points. 3 people got it right, that's good. It's positive and less than 1 over the square root of 3. Who got that right? All right, well, every other that's good. So, Rohit, how'd you get that?
Well, so it has to compare root 10 to pi, and I know pi squared is just under 10, so that means it's both sine and cosine are negative, but sine is barely negative, so it's probably less than 1 over root 3.
So if you're on the unit circle, this square root of 10 will put you just into the third quadrant?
Yeah.
And the tangent's positive there, and then you might figure out how it relates to a reference angle of pi over 6 or whatever you want to relate it to. And so that's the crucial thing, is how that relates to pi. Getting that right? Question 4, 400 points. In how many ways can we reach Q for the first time from P without ever going over the same line segment twice? And so you can see the line segments there in the diagram, we hope, and where P and Q are. And so are there 5 ways, 6 ways, 7 ways, or 8 ways? It's worth 400 points, and you have a minute, 60 seconds. See what the correct answer is, 400 points. 2 people got it right, it was 8. And so who got that right? Over here, all right. And so, David, how'd you get that?
Well, if you go to the top red point for the first move, there are 4 ways to go from that, just all the possible paths. And if you go to the bottom one, there are also 4. So it makes 8.
That's right. Very good. So it wasn't 8.2 when you were just looking for something close to 8.2.
No.
All right, that's good. And so, very good. Both of you getting that right, Richard and David. So we'll see what the score is now at the halfway point. We have David in first place with 1,000 points. They're very close. Richard with 700 points. Rohit and Evan both with 600 points. And Daniel with 100 points. So still lots of points out there. And almost anything can happen.